In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group emails with same subject in Outlook. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, and the goal is to quickly bring messages with identical or similar subject lines together so you can review or clean them up in one go. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then open the official Outlook site. Sign in if you're prompted, and wait for your inbox to load. Once you can see your list of messages, look toward the top of the message list for the sort control. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a small icon with up and down arrows, or a menu labeled Sort or Filter. Click it to open the sorting options, then choose Subject. The inbox will immediately rearrange itself alphabetically by the subject line. This is a simple but powerful way to group emails that share the same subject. Messages with matching or very similar subjects will now sit next to each other, making them easy to scan, compare, or select in bulk. If Conversation View is enabled, individual threads remain clustered, but sorting by subject still lines up related conversations side by side. Keep in mind that prefixes like re or FWD are part of the subject line, so you may see those grouped together as well. The underlying text is what you're looking for. If you want to jump straight to one subject, use the search bar at the top of Outlook. Click into the search field, type the subject you care about, either a specific phrase or key words from it, and then click the Go button or press Enter. Your mailbox will filter to show only messages that match. This is perfect for quickly isolating all emails about a project code, a newsletter title, or a recurring alert. For more precise results, try putting the subject phrase in quotes, or add a sender name to narrow things down further. When you're done reviewing, you can clear the search box to see everything again. And if you prefer your usual view afterward, reopen the sort menu and switch back to sorting by date. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, sort by subject to bring like items together, and use search to zero in on a single subject when you need to. With these two tools, managing repeated topics and threads becomes fast and stress-free.